Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to add keyframes in Premiere Pro. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is pause the video at the point where you want to add a keyframe. This step is crucial. Before proceeding, make sure to click on the video clip where you want to place the keyframe. Next, press Shift+5 to open the Effect Controls panel for the selected video clip. In this panel, you will see various parameters such as position, scale, rotation, opacity, and other effects related to the selected video clip. If the Effect Controls panel is not visible, ensure you press Shift+5 again to bring it up. To add a keyframe, click on the stopwatch icon next to the effect you want to modify, for example, scale. Once clicked, a blue circle will appear, indicating that a keyframe has been added. At this point, your first keyframe has been successfully placed on the video clip. Now, to place a second keyframe, play the video and pause it at the next location where you want the second keyframe to be added. This time, there's no need to click the stopwatch icon again. Instead, modify the value of the effect you're adjusting, such as the scale value. As you change the scale, you'll notice the video scaling dynamically. That's it. By creating two keyframes, you've set up an interpolation. If you play the video again, you'll see the scale transition smoothly between the two keyframes you've created. This process allows for precise control over effects like scaling, making your edits more dynamic and professional. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.